She won't stop coming to my door. Listen, okay, I ordered some food, right? I opened up the door, the first two times it's the food. The third time, I opened up the door to see was the food, it was her. When she came in,
1213 East Dublin Granville Road. I just got off the phone with you guys. You guys said to call back. I got a woman out here with a weapon, beating the door. She's breaking stuff. Yeah, some type of, looks like a golf club.
Okay.
I'm security.
Okay. So the weapon that she has is the golf club?
Nah, it looks like a metal pole, but she's saying she's going to bury him. She's already trespassed on this property.
Okay. Is it the same female you called about earlier?
Yes, ma'am. But now she's getting really physical, beating up stuff. There's broken stuff all over the hallways.
Okay. Besides the metal pole, are there any other weapons?
No. If she comes, I'm going to just let you know, if she comes towards me, I will get physical and pepper spray her again.
Yep, I hear that. All right. Well, I'll notate this run. I did up the run for you, so hopefully we have officers out there.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you.
No problem.
Bye.
what's up, bud? Listen, I don't know what's wrong with her. I've been calling the cops on her for the last couple of days. They sent her to the insane asylum. She won't stop coming to my door. Listen, okay, I ordered some food, right? I opened up the door, the first two times it's the food. The third time, I opened up the door to see was the food, it was her. When she came in, I said, you're not supposed to be here. You got one bag, please, go. Let's get it.
215 too, there's a couple fighting and the girl got punched in the face.
Okay.
215?
215. She just came out screaming, he just punched me in the face, he punched me in the face.
250, I know exactly where you at too.
21.
So listen, she keep coming to the door. I'm so sorry.
21.
Yeah, I just got flagged down by security out here. Apparently there's an altercation in room 215 as well.
She's been listening for 3 days. I've been calling cops. They've been taking her to the insane asylum. They took her to the hospital. They said they're going to arrest her. She won't stop. Okay. So this is how she got in, though. We want to support that. The first two, the food, the third one. Then when she came up in my home, I had to use my belly to push her because she's swinging on me.
Oh, I did not swing. Oh, my hair is upstairs in the mother.
21. We do have this female here if you want to send somebody else for the other 16. See Dorothy?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What's going on, dear?
So, he told me I could come and get my stuff. I get over
Real quick,
there.
though. Nope. Give me yours.
What?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for trespassing.
I wasn't.
Yep, you were in there.
I wasn't. He told me I could. And he just said I just.
It doesn't matter what he says.
No,
The
I'm
building
talking about security.
trespassed. I don't care. You're trespassed. You're going to jail. You're not supposed to be here. Officers told you that last time. You already know that.
No,
Yep.
you said it. That's why I just asked him. Hey, my butt right there. Ouch, motherfucker, that hurts.
Just relax.
It hurts.
I know. I'll fix it. Relax. I'm trying to get it set right, but you're wiggling.
Yeah, make it a little loose on this side.
I'm going to. But
This
you're
one,
wiggling,
this one.
okay?
Okay. Right.
Let me get it set.
And this one tight too.
That one tightened up when you wiggled
too.
too.
Say to you, baby. Oh, you're crazy. No, thank you. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Oh no, this one. It's the left one. It's you want my right here. Look, right here. You want?
Hang on.
180.
Okay, now that's his girlfriend right there. Now.
Just want to copy.
Oh, she gonna pop that?
Yeah.
He's also upstairs.
Not me.
Oh, yeah, we're in the middle of this right now, though. We have other officers coming for that.
They worried about me.
Okay.
He doesn't work there.
I know.
All right. Can they get my blunt? That's right there.
Oh, well, then you're going to county, so.
Nigga, I'm not sober enough. You keep get my blunt off the ground. And my purse and my shit is over there. I'm not.
It's over where? On the floor? On the ground?
Yes, right there, nigga.
Okay.
Now let's go get my shit. Oh, I want my shit.
We'll grab it.
No, cause my phone and everything is already missing. They already stole my weed and all my shit. Go get my shit now. Come on, take your shit.
Just tell us. We'll grab it for you.
Where's your purse before somebody take it?
Can you take me? It's right. No, do not, man. Take
We're not gonna walk you around. You're
watching.
All right, no, watch it.
Where is
Watch
it?
it. No, watch it.
Tell them where it is.
I'm sorry. I see.
You're not gonna tell him where it's at?
No, cause you can't miss it. You can't miss it. And he just took my wallet out my purse.
He just put something in
I
it.
don't give a fuck. I want all my
Okay.
shit. Now get my shit.
Just watch me put the stuff in the bag.
I don't give a fuck. Get my blunt. That's right there. Right there. Hey, get my blunt. That's right there. Nigga, my shit ain't staying there. I pay for my shit.
You don't need that shit.
I didn't ask you. I said get my motherfucking blunt.
Look, if you
It's
take
right
it down,
there.
if
It's
you
right
take
there,
that
look.
down to the jail, they're just gonna throw it away anyway.
Oh, she got the weed in here, so let me tell her to take this out too then.
No.
No,
Oh, no.
leave everything in the bag.
Now get my blunt. That's right there. Right there on the floor. Right there. To the right.
You want me to take the weed or not?
He said you can't take it, man. Now, can I get a lighter so I can smoke this right there? Please? Okay. I don't got no lighter. Please stop smoking this.
Yeah.
It's him that's doing this so rough, nigga.
Just relax.
Not him relax. He just...
I was asking him if he got the door. That's all.
Oh,
Okay.
no. I don't need nobody
crap.
to give me my
Grab
school.
Hang on.
I ain't going nowhere. Nigga, if I... Thank
Sorry. Watch yourself.
I don't need your help to get in. Now, excuse me.
All right, well, have
I
a seat.
don't need your help to get in.
Have a
I
seat.
said I can't.
Stop
Nigga,
fighting.
I'm supposed to be on fucking crutches.
Okay.
Nigga, my knee is swollen. So I have to get in
Okay.
like this.
Okay, that's fine.
With
Go
this
ahead.
foot.
Go ahead.
I was, so I'm telling you, I don't need your fucking
ahead.
help.
All right. Well, you already tried to run away, so
Yeah, I
we're holding on
wasn't
to you.
running.
Go ahead and have a seat.
I do it. Nigga, get off my fucking arm.
Put your foot in.
I can't yet. Nah, shut the door, bitch.
Hang on.
No, I don't need that. Oh, you can't.
Yeah, we need it. Okay.
Now, this one right here is the one that's too tight. On this right here.
This side.
Yes, thank you. Yes,
All right. Let me
that's
take a look.
right there. Ow!
Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. Okay. All right. Sorry.
Sorry. You see what I'm saying? Yeah,
I see it. All right. Hang on.
Thank you.
Hang
I
on.
ain't going nowhere. Thank you. Thank you.
Because I got to set it to a
I
certain
know,
degree.
I know.
Okay.
Thank you. Now bring it up a little bit.
Keep it
Once
straight
you
here.
get done, bring it up.
Uh-huh.
It's on, nigga. You got it on my on this right. Bring it up. You got it too tight.
What are you talking about?
On there. Now bring it up.
Hold on,
This
hold on. I got to double lock it so it doesn't accidentally tighten again. There you go. This is good on
Thank
that.
you.
So those ones, if you want to like, if you clap your hands like this, it kind of takes pressure off of
I
it.
know, but I want to smoke this black and brown.
Yeah, but you can't smoke right now. All right.
Why not? If I'm going to jail, why not?
Are you evicting him?
We're trying.
Yeah.
So we're trying to get as much on him anyway since he keeps doing this stupid shit.
Right. Do you want the run number for this to add to that? I don't know if it might help with like an emergency
It will.
eviction.
Also,
or whatnot.
will you guys be able to get her quick out of there? See, I've only
So
been
you
doing
said she's
security
got
for about
kids
9
in there?
months. Yeah, she has a 16 and a 17-year-old. The other day they lied to the officers and said they both was 18, but they're not. She even stated that.
Hey, dear. You got 2 kids in there still? I'm just asking. Do you, because security's mentioned it, do you want them to stay with the gentleman that was out here?
I thought you said I wasn't going to jail.
No, you are going to jail.
Yeah, he said he's taking me to jail. He's the one that said I could come back up.
Who?
Both of them, him and me.
Said you could come back where?
Here, and they just told me that I wasn't going to jail. They're trying to put him out. So I don't know how in the fuck I just got.
Okay. Well, you got trespassed before when they took you to the hospital, remember?
Yeah, they said it, but he just told me that they didn't look. I know that. Yep. And I was told that he told me I could come back. That's what I'm saying. I knew I shouldn't have. I knew I shouldn't have. I already know. I already know.
But as far as your kids go, do you want them to stay here with the gentleman?
Hurry up and get me to jail, please.
No.
Thank you. I said hurry up
If
and
you-
get me to fucking jail. Fuck,
right.
shut the door.
Well, if you're not willing to let them stay with him because they're your kids,
I asked you specifically to shut the fucking door and quit talking to me. If you taking me to jail, nigga, there's nothing for me to say, right?
we'll have to
now,
take them to children's services.
I don't give a fuck where you take them.
Okay.
The fuck you talking about, bitch? My kids is at home.
All right. Well, that's just what they're saying. Is there's
I
kids
don't
in
give a fuck.
Hey dear. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to- Do you want me to go to the other side? I was going to ask, are you okay with them staying here with him? Or do you want them to go to Children's Services, dear?
I thought there was I thought you said that there was
That they were what?
I thought you said that there was already out.
Already out?
Yeah, my voice.
Well, I mean, you're the parents, so you can give consent for them to stay with another adult if you choose to do that, or we can take them to Children's Services, but we need a definite yes or no.
Take me to jail.
I get that. What
I'm
do you?
asking you. Would you take me to jail?
Yes, we are. What would you like to happen with the children?
Leave them where they at.
Huh?
Leave them where they at.
I can't hear you.
Leave them where they at.
Leave them here? Okay. You said they're okay to stay here.